Painting Sky and Water. Wet on Dry Variegated Wash. Video lesson by Vladimir London.
In this video lesson, you'll discover how to paint sky and water using the wet on dry variegated wash.
This is the finished artwork, which I will achieve by the end of this video lesson. I will make a wash with a soft mop brush from Escoda. To begin with, I premix several blue pigments in the quantities sufficient for the entire wash. Please keep in mind that this is not a repeat after me parrot-style workshop, as this would have a very shallow educational value. What I want you to learn in the video lesson is not how to make this particular picture, but how to use the variegated wash watercolor painting method for painting any landscape artwork you like. This is why the names of pigments that will be used for this wash are absolutely irrelevant, because you may or may not have some of them in your paint box, and the sky in your artwork may consist of different blue colors than in this painting. I don't want you to reach an erroneous conclusion that a good landscape depends on any particular paints. Above all, making a good landscape artwork fully depends on your painting skills. This is what I will be teaching you in this lesson.